If you operate a diesel vehicle, you should be aware of the symptoms of a bad glow plug and how they affect the longevity and functionality of your car. In order to warm up the engine cylinder and ignite the fuel, a glow plug produces heat. Your diesel engine won't start without it. Glow plugs not only warm and start diesel engines, but also keep your engine running smoothly. The glow plug is typically put inside the combustion chamber of cars so that it can effectively transfer heat to the diesel engine. Well, in this article, we'll go over the most common symptoms of a bad glow plug. That said, we'll look at why glow plug goes bad, whether you can drive, how often should you replace the plug, and the cost of replacing it. So, without wasting any more time, let's get down to it. Symptoms of a bad glow plug. Here are the most common signs and symptoms of a bad glow plug. Having trouble starting the car. With damaged glow plugs, a diesel engine cannot be started. Glow plug malfunctions prevent enough heat from being produced to preheat the cylinder and ignite the fuel. It can take numerous attempts to start the car if heat cannot be produced quickly enough. The car won't start at all if the glow plugs are almost dead and it's chilly outdoors. Check engine light. A defective glow plug may cause the check engine light to come on, and an OBD2 scanner will display an error code that has to do with glow plugs, such as P0380, which stands for Glow Plug Heater Circuit A Malfunction. P0381, P0382, P0383, P0384, P0670, P0671, P0672, P0673, P0674, P0675, P0676, P0677, P0678, P0679, P0680, P0681, P0682, P0683, and P0684 are additional glow plug-related diagnostic issue codes. Misfiring. A backfiring exhaust can damage your car in a number of ways. It happens when the fuel inside the cylinder doesn't ignite properly. You can presume that your glow plugs may be the cause of a misfire in a diesel engine since they are so important in the process of igniting gasoline. Sluggish acceleration. Even if a damaged glow plug can start a diesel engine, the car won't run at its best. When you press all the way down on the accelerator without gaining much speed, you'll notice an early symptom of decreased performance. Other engine issues can also result in poor acceleration. However, if you also experience any of these additional signs of a damaged glow plug in addition to poor acceleration, your glow plugs are probably to blame. Dark gray or black exhaust smoke. The causes of dark gray or black exhaust smoke are numerous. You can experience a glow plug issue if the combustion process is at fault. Dark smoke when accelerating is more typical with diesel engines, but if it also occurs with other symptoms on this list, a malfunctioning glow plug may be to blame. Why glow plugs go bad? Diesel glow plug issues can take many different forms. High voltages or extreme heat are the two main causes of glow plug failure. A controller that is beginning to malfunction could be the source of high voltage. Additionally, the glow plugs may be receiving electricity continuously if there is bad wiring or a controller issue. The plugs will burn out before they should because they are not intended to be left on all the time. Additionally, the engine's timing or gasoline leaking from the injectors can result in extreme heat conditions. It goes without saying that running the engine on gasoline will destroy the glow plug tips because of the heat buildup in the pre-chamber. Can you drive with a bad glow plug? Glow plugs will eventually deteriorate and have a detrimental impact on your car's performance. The car may still start, and you can still operate it, but it won't run as well as it did when it had sound glow plugs. Starting the car will require several attempts as the glow plugs deteriorate, and accelerating hard will be necessary to reach higher speeds. The vehicle won't start at all if you reside in a colder climate since the glow plugs can't provide enough heat to initiate combustion. Faulty glow plugs won't just make starting the engine more difficult and force you to drive at lower speeds. They'll also diminish your car's fuel efficiency. By replacing your plugs as soon as you discover any signs of a defective glow plug, you can avoid these expenses and inconveniences. How often to replace this plug? Glow plug lifetime. Glow plugs should last up to 100,000 miles before gradually degrading as a result of wear and tear. The good news is that glow plugs are among the least expensive auto parts to replace and have a very long lifespan. So, all we're just saying is, Replace your glow plug as often as every 100,000 miles. This will help you maintain your car's overall health and performance. How much does it cost to replace the glow plug? You should be aware that glow plug replacements are inexpensive if you put off changing your glow plugs due to the price. You may get a replacement glow plug for anywhere between $25 and $50, depending on the brand and quality. If you have the necessary tools, changing the plugs yourself will save you money on labor. You can pay a mechanic labor fee of $90 to $200 to replace your glow plugs if you want to put convenience over quality.